I've heard a story, I've heard it said, I've come to believe that love is a bet. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and sometimes it calls you right in the move. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Chonovek, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys my baby haul. Yeah, what I got for my baby. Yes, and some things I got for myself too. So it's baby / mother haul. I don't know if I said that right. Alright, so before we get started, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done that, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get a notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like, share and comment. My next video after this, I'll be showing you guys what I put in my hospital bag. Yes, for the baby and for myself. Yes, the important, like the necessary things you need in your hospital bag. That'll be my next video. Alright guys, so let's get started. So guys, the number one thing you will need, not really number one thing you will need, but these are the things I got this breast pad. Yeah, I got the breast pad. I got some diapers, which is important. I got this savon I'm gonna use to bath my baby and wash her clothes. Then I got this baby lotion. As I told you guys, this is my first time being the month, so I'm trying this out for the first time. Please let me know in the comment section, do you think this lotion is a good lotion? Because I got it with the bat gel. So let me know in the comment section what you guys have you used this lotion before, this product before. Let me know in the comment section if this is a good product for newborns. Yeah, and I also got Johnson baby oil because this is an old time something. I know my mom used this, that this appears for me, so I got this because I like having this. Then inside here is olive oil and spirit. I don't want to open it. Then her cup and her flags. Let me open this one for you guys. This is what it looks like. Just hot water flags. So I also got this 7-in-1 jumpsuit. I'm gonna open it. I'm just going to show you guys one of it because it's so cute. Like, look at how cute it is. Rainbow. It's super cute. Like, guys, so cute. Then I got this one. A play suit. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. So the important thing guys is it's good for you to get 0 to 3 months, yes, but don't get it too much, just get it little. Then also get 3 to 6 months. Then also get 6 to 9 months for that first 3 months of a baby's life, because babies, they grow. Do you understand? So they could just come out, you think, oh, 0 to 3 months, and after a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, boom, your baby has added and the clothes is no longer fitting your baby. You have to start washing back to go and buy baby clothes. So this is just a better way to just save your time, your stress or anything. Just know that you are all covered in all sides, all part of baby clothes. I hope that's understandable. Yeah, so This is the clothes, and I'm gonna open it for you guys. Just gonna show you guys one of it. So this is one of it. It's so cute, like so cute and so cozy, so comfortable. So I got baby short. So it has comes with the cap. This is what it looks like. The material is nice. No, really hard. It's very soft. This is what it looks like, guys. Which is so cute. It has this teddy bear something nice. So yeah. Then I also got this towel. This is, my husband loved it so much because it had like a panda something on it. And this is super soft. Like I can even sleep on this. This is so soft. So I got this one also for her. So this has sponge. Don't mind my background, guys. Just focus on me. But I got my I got some mittens and some cap. This cap is white and the mitten too is white. I love white. I don't know, white. Mostly my favorite color is white. I just love white. Then this one too is 2 mittens. Yes, and they're also white. And I got this Johnson powder also for her, which look half, supposed to be full, guys, but it looks half. I don't know what they're doing nowadays. Then a friend of mine recommended me to get this powder for her because she was like, she's also a mom, so she was like, babies, when they come out, they always come out, as time goes on, they have all these rashes. So this will help me clear those rashes. So I got this powder so I'm gonna try it for the first time. Then guys, I told you guys I got another place suit. This is the 0 to 3 months. Yeah, this is 0 to 3 months. See, the other one was 3 to 6 months. This is 0 to 3 months. So in case my baby gets bigger, I have something else to cover. I love this. This is so cute. So there are 3 in 1 places. And I got some hair ribbons for my baby girl. These hair ribbons, some beep for food, eating of food. Then another set of hair ribbons. So this one's so cute. Then this cute cap. I got her some leggings and this cap that say I love family and I love mommy. So I got her bed sheet. This is her bed sheet, like for her bed.
We left the room of fire once again, though. Yeah, we said some things we didn't mean, honey. I always start the fire, you put the fire out. I always say too much and I get jealous. I never hear you out and that is sad, guys.
I got a shawl for her also, but I'm going to be turning this into like a blanket or something. I don't know. Yeah, this is a baby blanket, but I'm going to turn it into like a just to cover her up in case of because cold or put it on her bed, something like that. This for this, and so guys, I got this for her also. Baby care sets. I don't know. I tell you guys, white, pink. Yeah. So then I got some socks. This is 6 pairs of socks for 0 to 3 months. The baby I know she will use it. I like getting inside this stuff, so it's easier. Yeah, really cute. So yeah, I got that. So then I got this one. I just love this one so much. I love mommy, I love daddy. It's so cute, like so cute. Then I got some white long sleeve suits, 3 to 6 months. I didn't get 0 to 3 months for this. I didn't see that necessary because this one looks small for 3 to 6 months. So I got that. I got some brush for washing her bottle. It looks weird and long, but I love the fact that I had a smaller one. That's why I needed to got this, because I ordered her feeding sets, her bottle sets. Yes, Chico products, and that one to also have a brush inside. So I'm using that brush for the Chico to wash it, but the small one I'm using to wash the places the bigger brush can't wash. So that was why I bought that brush. Then this is her wash clothes, face, towel clothes. I just bought unisex. I didn't want to buy everything pinky. Then this is her receiving blankets. This is the blanket, I got these ones. Then her towel. This is her towel. Just open everything for you guys because definitely I'm gonna wash it. But it's so cute. I got some pegs for washing her clothes. Then I got these clothes. I just love it because of how cute it looks. This is from a Turkish brand. I don't know if you know this brand, but it's a Turkish brand. I got it. It's so cute. I love that it's yellow, mustard yellow, something like that. It's be so nice on her skin. I also got this one too. I love mommy and daddy. This is 9 to 12 months. Then this cardigan, because of cold. Cardigan comes with the cap because of cold. And yeah, these are the wears I got for my baby. I'm also going to show you guys her bed and her swing, but that one I'm going to do a separate video when my husband is maybe setting them up. Take the is more better because I can't carry it, it's kind of heavy. So when he set it up, I'll show you guys those ones. Then now let's go to what I got for myself. So guys, what I got for myself is this bra. This is what it looks like. It's good for easier access to breastfeed. That's what I got. In case you very nice. Oh my goodness. Then I got this comfort. It's for it's a sanitary pad. And yeah, let's I forgot, I got my baby a pacifier. I'm not sure I'm gonna use this, but I got it just in case I might need it. Then I got myself this towel on that pad. It's also for delivery. It's disposable. Then I got breast pump. This breast pump. So it's so simple. You just press. And it should just stick to your breast, and your breast start to pump out and everything. It's very, very easy. I didn't want to get something too dramatic. And yeah, those are the things I got for myself. Then the rest of the my clothes, what I'm going to put in my hospital bag, I'm going to show you guys when I'm doing that in my hospital bag, what is inside there, when I've arranged it, and I'll show you guys what's inside there. Then yeah, that's all guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done that, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get a notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like, share and comment. So guys, that's this end of the video. I'm going to show you guys my bump. I'm 8 months pregnant already. Yeah, we're almost there. So I can't wait to wash, iron and arrange all her stuff. So I will see you guys in my next video, which will be my hospital bag video. Yeah, baby hanger, everything. I'll just put all those pictures together. Yeah, let's put mountain. What to eat? I'll show you guys my 8 months bump in a bit. So bye guys. Guys, this is my 8 months bump. She's big. Yeah, this is a better view. We are really are getting bigger. Alright, so bye.